since you are ready, please welcome all the way from the Zubik Park. And here is Almond, our bear cat. Alright, Almond. There you are. Okay, Sir Carlos, can you wear this glove first? And then, sir, can you stoop down a bit? Put your right hand like this. Just relax. Come on, Almond, do your thing. And you may now stand up slowly. Alright. So once again, this is Almond, our Palawan bear cat, locally known as Pinturong, and has a lifespan of approximately 20 years. They can stand erect like a bear and has a whiskers like a cat. Thus the name bear cat. These animals are arboreal, meaning they spend most of their lifetime on trees. Unfortunately, they have been listed as vulnerable or in danger of extinction due to habitat loss and illegal poaching. So, to save this animal and let the next generation to still see this beautiful creature, let us help in the advocacy to stop illegal logging. But instead, let's start planting today that will serve as their home for tomorrow. Sir Carlos, what can you say about Almond?
Magnificent creature.
Magnificent creature, thank you so much. And don't you know that one fascinating fact about Pinturong was that they smell like popcorn or pandan even though we don't give them a bath. So how about a big round of applause for Almond and of course my brave teacher volunteer here. Okay, thank you so much, Teacher Carlos, and you have a... Alright.